Hello friends, this is me Zahid Hussain. As you know that we have started a complete course of computer embroidery designing on Welcome Software. So our today topic is how we can change display screen settings. So in this video we will learn that how we can change our display screen settings. First of all, I want to tell you that if you have no problem with your display screen settings, you don't need to change your display screen settings. Okay, if you have no issue, no problem with your display screen settings, so you don't need to change your display screen settings. You have only need to change your display screen settings if you have any issue or any problem with your screen. So now here you can see that I have some problems with my display screen settings. Here you can see that the object is not showing correctly. The fillings are going to outside. If I turn off the true view, you can see that the actual object is that, and in true view you can see that it is showing like this. The fillings are going to outside. You can also see here you can see that, and if I turn off the true view, so you can see that the actual object is that, and there you can see that the fillings are going to outside. So you can see anywhere like this. This is the actual object, the correct object, and the in true view I have problem with my screen settings. So one thing more, always remember, I will change my display screen setting according to my LCD or monitor or my screen resolution. I will change my screen settings according to my screen resolution. So you will not change your screen settings according to my screen resolution, because you know that every screen has different resolution. So I will change my screen settings according to my screen. You will change your screen settings according to your screen or resolution. So if you have any problem with your screen settings, so you can change. First of all, you have to click on this menu bar on special button. First of all, you have to click on special button. Then in drop down menu you have to click on hardware setup. There is a plugin or button with the name of hardware setup. You have to click on hardware setup. Here you have to select display monitor. Here you have to select display monitor. Click on display monitor. Then you have to click on values. Then you have to click on values. When you will click on values, there are it will show the width and height. Now how you can change your display screen settings? uh, you can change uh, you can change your screen settings by changing these values again and again, because I cannot tell you the fixed values, because every screen has different type of resolution. So you have to change these values again and again, where your display screen settings the fillings will correct, so you will fix them. For example, there is width is 65 millimeter and height is 54 millimeter. So I change them into 75 and height into 48, and then OK and close them. So you can see that the screen setting values are have corrected. After turn off the true view, you can see that it has accurate. So if I change them again, for example 84 and 52, and OK and close. So these values are too much close to crack for my display screen settings. So in this way you can change your display screen settings. Okay, and if you not get the accurate values, so you can change them again and again. Where your screen settings will correct, so you can fix them there. And note you should note these values on your textbook or mobile memo etc. Anytime again when you will again install will come, so then you will don't need to change your screen settings again. You will only type there the settings where you will not and then you can easily change your settings. So now our topic has completed. I hope you will like this video, and for complete learning and for complete course you can visit our website computerhold.blogspot.com. Here you will open the website and open the welcome post. Here you will get all the details about this complete course, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for new updates, and we will meet again in next video. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz.